Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home, where we help you solve tech problems quickly and easily. If your iPhone touchscreen isn't responding, don't panic, we've got you covered. Today, I'll walk you through some quick and simple fixes to get your iPhone screen working again. How to fix an unresponsive iPhone touchscreen. Step 1. Clean the screen. First things first, let's make sure the screen is clean. Dirt, grease, or even a bit of water can cause your iPhone touchscreen to act up. Steps. 1. Power off your iPhone. 2. Gently wipe the screen with a microfiber cloth. 3. Avoid using harsh chemicals, just a little water or screen cleaner. Sometimes, a simple cleaning can solve the problem. Step 2. Remove the case and screen protector. Next, if you have a bulky case or screen protector, try removing them. Cases or protectors can interfere with touch sensitivity, especially if they don't fit well. Step 3. Restart your iPhone. If your screen is still unresponsive, the next step is to force restart your iPhone. Steps. 1. For iPhone 14 or later, press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. 2. For iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, hold the volume down button and the side button at the same time until the Apple logo appears. 3. For iPhone 6 seconds or earlier, hold the home button and the power button together until the Apple logo shows up. This method can reset any temporary software glitch that's causing your screen to freeze. Step 4. Update or restore iOS. Another common reason for an unresponsive screen could be software bugs. It's always a good idea to check for updates. Steps. Go to Settings. 1. Tap General. 2. Tap Software Update to see if there's a new iOS version available. If updating doesn't work, you might want to try restoring your iPhone using iTunes or Finder. Just make sure to back up your data first. Step 5. Check for physical damage. If your screen is cracked or showing signs of physical damage, that could be the culprit. Unfortunately, if this is the case, you may need to visit an Apple store or a certified repair center for a screen replacement. Step 6. Reset all settings optional. If nothing seems to work and you're sure there's no physical damage, you can try resetting all settings. Steps. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap General. 3. Scroll down to Reset and choose Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset your iPhone settings, which can sometimes fix stubborn software issues. Conclusion. And there you have it, 6 ways to fix an unresponsive iPhone touchscreen. Hopefully, one of these solutions worked for you. If it did, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the bell icon to stay updated.